You're a homeowner and you looked for a system to get rid of German roaches. You tried everything under the book. You even tried getting pest control and they still didn't work. Well, there's some reasons for that, but I'm going to talk to you today about the systems you found and you tried yourself and why they didn't work. So in this video, I'll be explaining that, okay? But before that, I actually made a resource of giving you a system that actually will work. I give you the chemicals you need, step-by-step process, and easy and fast actionable steps that you can take literally today if you are on it to get started on finding on where these roaches are. So if you want that, in the description below, check that out. I'll see you there, and let's get back into it. So you're wondering why it's not working. If you are using Raid to start, it's not going to work. If using any kind of repellent spray, it's not going to work. Those things make things worse. In addition, if you're using like home remedies, things you found online on YouTube, I promise you it might work for others, but it doesn't mean it'll work for you. You will need a clear system to get rid of German roaches. German roaches can reproduce extremely fast. Like they can have 30 babies in one egg sac, and those babies can be adult in 2 to 3 months, and that's 30 babies being adult. Then in those 3 months, those 30 babies are having their own babies. Then they'll have on their own babies. Like you see the endless cycle there. And if you don't have anything in place to stop that, you will be fighting and fighting and fighting and fighting and fighting like my mom was 10 years ago, and it never ended, right? She used so much Raid. I think we could have been sponsored by them, you know? And I'm telling you, it's not the move. So I'm telling you here, you need a system. I made a system for you to go use, completely free. It's a free resource down below. I put the link in there. Like I said, it gives you the correct chemicals, the step-by-step process that you should do, and easy and actual steps you can do today to find where they actually are hiding. Because once you do those, you will get rid of your roaches. I promise you, you will. It's not a one spray here and there, you're good. It takes weeks of consistency. Every week of doing the same treatment, spraying, everything. You keep doing it, and eventually you will get rid of them. I helped somebody like 4 months ago. It took them 3 months from going to heavy infestation to only seeing them here and there, right? Heavy to here and there, to where it's like a rare sighting of them, right? Because roaches take a long time, up to a year. But if I can take you from having a lot of roaches to having like 2, that's what I want. That's probably what you want, right? You don't want them at all. I understand that. But how would it be to not have roaches like everywhere, than have roaches almost nowhere, to the point where you don't even know you even have them? You might see one here, one there. And I'm giving you that system. I'm giving you an out, right? It's in the description below. I know how hard it is, but I'm here for you. I want to help you. Check out that free resource down there. And, you know, I see you on the other side of not having roaches no more, all right? I'll see you guys later.